guys, how's it going? Bruno here, Bruno's Classic Car Garage. Alright, so picking up where I left off from the last video, where I showed you all the stuff that I've done there. And now I gotta make this piece here. Gotta make this piece here to fix this post up before I can weld this rocker back on here. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now. So I kind of got my piece sort of in the works here. I just notched it here where it's kind of notched in there. I bent my little pinch weld, and now I got to bend it up here so it kind of matches the shape, sort of, kind of. That's all this is cut and fit and trim and cut and fit and trim. Let me cut that up, eh? Pete's sakes, nowhere to put anything down. This is going to be... I hate doing little pieces, man. It's dangerous. It's dangerous. Take much and then bang, bang. Yeah, that's dangerous. Don't do what I do. Because as soon as this catches an edge here, if you cock it wrong, you're gonna be hurting. That's what you guys get. Okay, let's have a look. Come on. Okay, I think I got it close. See how ugly that is in there? Look at the mess. So I just got this here, and I'm gonna cut the post here on a butt joint on the top, and then it'll almost match up to the corner at least. See? And so I did make a mark down here with the marker, so I can kind of have an idea where this is supposed to line up, and then I will screw it down, and then I can put the rocker back on. But I think the problem is now I'm gonna have to probably somebody's phoning. I'm probably gonna have to take the door off. Unfortunately, it lines up so good. So, alright, so let's get to it. Alright guys, I'm gonna start taking the rocker off again. I'm gonna try and do it without taking the door off for now. Save myself some work putting it back on again. Oh! I need some minions here to come and clean up. Alright. Take all this stuff apart. I know once I get that piece in there, I won't be able to get the rocker on for sure without taking the door off. So yeah, gotta open the door here. You see how the door stays? Because the hinge is kind of, it's under tension. There's something wrong with the one hinge. I don't know. I don't know if he put a pin in it and or he beat on it or he did something. I have no idea. I don't know, man. I'm just here for the excitement. All right. And you see here, see I did inside here too, right? Had to replace this piece. Last guy left it was Swiss cheese from one end to the other. Yeah, it was nice. It was really nice. One or two more times. Okay. Get this thing off again here. It's a little bit of a little tricky. If I was trying to put it on, it would fall out. But now that I'm trying to take it out, it just doesn't want to come out. There we go. How did I do this last time? How did I do this? Okay, there we have it. I didn't do it, blame me. So you see inside there, yeah, doesn't look too good, does it? Doesn't look too good. Like Swiss cheese, man. Swiss cheese. So, and yeah, see how this side is here? You can see how this is all nice now. And then I took all the other, because he welded everything solid, you couldn't even see this step right here. So, and I think I'm going to fill all these up, except for maybe one or two where I know it lines up the rocker properly, and because I need to put some spot welds in here after. I don't want to have any issues. But yeah, so all right, start taking this apart here. We'll figure it out. Don't worry. See? Kind of like this here. I know it looks bad. It's coming. Don't worry. I'll get it. Sure, that's how it used to be. I think there used to be a step here too. That's why it's all bastardized in there right now. It wasn't done properly. Check it out, dude. Oh, look at that. That's not too bad. Not too bad. Alright guys, I got the piece made up here. It's not quite high enough there. I got to push it up, but it's going to work out real good. And I might have to just trim the inside there where it's, I got to put a plug in here after. But other than that, yeah, it looks good. It's going to look factory. So I think what I'm going to do is, how should I do this? Well, I got it marked with the tape here, so I think I'm going to take the rocker off again here, and I'm going to, I think I'm going to tack it here, up here, and maybe put a screw here somewhere, a couple of screws maybe just for now, just in case I have to do something. So I'm going to take this apart again and get that done. And then come back, and then hopefully I can put the rocker on for the last time. And I actually didn't have to take the door off. I was able to trim this up here. It took a while with the door in the way, but I didn't want to take the door off because I got my alignment here. I don't want to have to move it. So, all right guys, so hold on here. All right guys, I'm gonna tack this sucker in place. Tack it in place here. Oh yeah, that sounded good. That sounded good. Tacky, tacky, tacky. Oh yeah, look at that, eh? Woo! That's pretty sweet, man. That's pretty sweet. That's gonna get. All right. Finish this up right here. Ah! Okay, see? Got some tacky tackies here. I got here. I got to get this in place. But see, looks pretty good. I'm going to have to, I'll make a mark there. When I take the rocker off, I'll die grind that other piece in the back. But looks pretty good. See? Kind of looks like it's supposed to be there, which it kind of is, I guess. Alright, so I'm going to, I guess I'll take the rocker off again here, do a final kind of an inspection. And, or actually I got some welding to do from the brace to the inside there, so on both ends. So I'm going to get that taken care of actually first. Just to make sure, eh? Alright, and I think I'm going to put a screw in there just to tighten it up. And then I'll weld one up. Oh baby. It's so close now. Oh yeah. I wonder if I should try and put, I'm going to just try and put a little bit of pressure on here even though it's tacked, because who knows, right? See if it moves here. Yeah, it still moves. There. So now I can tack that one in place. And then I'm going to have to slice in here because the rocker here is actually wider this way. So I'm going to have to slice this and bring them together. It's not screwed inside. I got to adjust it. This is way over exaggerated here. can't even see what I'm talking about anyways. I just want to get this thing so it don't move no more. Ground. Ah, for Pete's sakes. See? They even turned the gas on. Ah. Man, I tell you, some days, it's probably going to hold there, but yeah. Let's get this one in before. See? Even I screw up stuff. It happens. No, I got no ground, for Pete's sake, man. There. It's not moving. No more. Ah, what the hell? Why? What the? I think I need a different thing here. Put this thing in here. There we go. See how it, when I squeeze, it still moves here, see? That's why everything changes. Every time you go to do something, and why the hell does it keep doing this? So, I'm going to see if I can get a screw in there. This thing's probably going to be in my way. I guarantee it. Guaranteed. Yeah, that's going to be in the way. Move it down here. Yeah, that's pretty tight in here. It doesn't look too good in here, but once I get this all welded, it'll hold the three together. Alright, let's see if I can get a screw in there. Let's have a look-see here. There we go. Alright, so that's in. Another one there. I'm going to close the door again, make sure that nothing changed too much here. Take this off. And let's have a look-see. Let's have a look-see. Okay, let's check it out. I gotta put a screwdriver in there. Open this up again. Actually, I think I'm gonna just take some of these screws out, a couple of them here, and see if it changes just on its own. See what it does. Should be enough. Okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look. I probably have to move this screw too, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure. Oh, maybe not. Let's see. Let's have a look. Yeah, just a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit. I mean, most guys would call it good, but yeah, I gotta unscrew it. I gotta unscrew it. So close. Oh yeah! Look at that, eh? It's looking pretty good. Oh yeah! Put it on the top here. Bingo! Yeah, right there, see? I'm gonna weld this up, I guess. Contamination. Yeah, that's what happens when there's paint and shit. It comes out, eh? I forgot to clean the edge of this rocker right here. I'm gonna have to put something behind there. Gotta put something in behind there. Gonna fill up that gap. The sun is in my eyeballs. Okay, that's pretty good. I gotta cut this little bit here and just bring that in a bit and see, because this is wider here than here. I don't know, weird. Guess that's how it is. I didn't build it. All right, guys, that's it for that. Let's have a look-see here. It's pretty much there. So there we have it. See, nice spot welds there. And once I'm done grinding that, you won't see it. And then this just gets right here. There's a step here. You just seam seal that, and that's it. And then these two will basically come together here. I probably could have, monkeyed around and do like a butt joint in here, but there's a seam sealer is going to go in the corner here, right? So it's not really all super important. This is the more important one here. It'll look more like a factory deal here. And then here, yeah, I just had to weld, see? And then, like I say, I got to cut the corner here and then tighten that up in there. And then I don't want to weld the edge here. It'll just keep blowing through. I got to put a piece of aluminum back there and then weld that up. A couple spot welds there. So, yeah. Well, now the door's too far in. But anyways, yeah, let's see here. Let me see here. For Pete's sake. And if it moved, I guess it moved. I can't do nothing. Ow! Damn it! Frickin' thing bit me. Okay, let's see. The door's sticking out a little bit. The door's a little bit out here right now, but so the gap looks wider here because the door's not in enough, but it looks super, super good. What the hell? I tell you. Well, thank God that's all tacked up. And it ain't gonna move no more. See how that's sticking out there? Look at that, eh? See? I don't know if it's a post problem. I have no idea what the other guy did, what's going on there, but I'll probably say it's the angle of what this rocker's built here. I'm gonna say is wrong because the chances of this post really moving like that, no, I can't see it. That's a lot of twist. A lot of twist. So there it is, guys. That's about it for that's going to be a long ass video just for a rocker panel thing. I'll come back and do another one for the cab corner and then finish up the back there. Alright, so I'm going to do hours of editing to get this done, and then make sure you guys share, like, and subscribe to appreciate all my work, eh? Alright guys, talk to you later. See you in the next video.